Okay, today is November the 21st, 2015. We're watching the Northeast Pacific Water Vapor Loop, and we're keeping an eye on Tropical Storm Rick right down here. Rick is still producing 40-mile-per-hour winds and is moving to the west-northwest at 13 miles per hour. Here's the stats on Rick. We've got 1,003 millibar core pressure, and the storm is moving west-northwest at 13 miles per hour. And the storm is forecast to actually go to the north here on Monday or Tuesday. It's going to move westerly, and then it's going to turn to the north. But I don't think any of that's going to happen. Let's go back to this other map again and take a look here. We have high pressure suddenly built in yesterday right here. And that is going to block, I believe this will block any northbound movement of this system in order to keep it away from that upper level low pressure that is sitting out here, and also to prevent any merging of this system with some moisture right here, and also this large moisture field moving right into California and Oregon. All right. Also, we have a dry air channel all through here. This is a man-made radar-generated dry channel of air, and that's going to separate this moisture field from that big storm over Alaska from getting mixed up with this moisture field. We also have a low pressure trying to spin up right here, and they do have heat on that, right on that core. You can see that. All right, so let's go back to the Hurricane Center map once again, and right around on Monday, Sunday, Monday, we're supposed to see this thing turn north, but I don't think that's going to happen. So we'll keep an eye on that for sure. And I think that for now they're going to park it right here. They're going to keep this high pressure right there, and that will prevent northbound movement. All right, let's go look at the, this is the infrared loop, and we can see the intensity of those thunderstorms there that make up Rick. We also see the eastbound movement of this moisture field. Today we had a lot of chemtrails in Southern California because of this very, very minor area of moisture that's moving into the area. We had a lot of chemtrails, and I don't fully understand why they would chemtrail our skies so much over such a small amount of moisture right here. So they're doing this for the sake of droughting us out. Certainly today they are with this very minor moisture field. This is nothing compared to what we're seeing out here or up here, and certainly not this system down here. So the chemtrails are out to drought us out, and that's what they're doing. And it's a deliberate operation. It's a U.S. operation, obviously. Hawaii has enjoyed great protection. And let's take a look at the jet stream. Mostly coming out of the Bering Sea area. We've got it's moving right over Alaska and then down diagonally through Oregon and Washington, and then down through Montana and out to the east. Let's get the camera lined up. You can see where it's coming along here, down through Alaska and down diagonally and out to the east. Okay. Okay, so we saw that. Let's take a look at the, this is the East Pacific, and we can see Rick up close. There's not been a whole lot of microwave blasts today. This storm would quickly develop into a Category 5 storm in these 85-degree waters. So they've been keeping this storm in check at about 40 miles per hour. Like I say, if they didn't do that, this storm would be a Category 5 within 24 hours, just like Hurricane Patricia. So that's why they do this, and that you know, that's a good thing. We can prevent catastrophic damage, and we've been watching that all summer long. But also, when we have a tremendous drought going on in the Southwest, that's not good either. So the people running these transmitters have to get their act together and get something going so we get some rain into California to solve the drought. There's no reason we can't let this small area of moisture move through the area. Let's take a look at it again. this area right here, right there. They're chemtrailing the skies today over this. That's ridiculous. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at the SSEC geostationary satellite image. And we can see some chemtrails in this front over here, this moisture field right here. You can see some chemtrail activity out over here as well. All right, let's take a look at some of these other maps. Here's the surface analysis map, and they've indicated a stationary high here with a low pressure right here and a cold front. We've got a dotted line here indicating some significant weather, either wind or possibly some rain, probably wind. We're having Santa Ana winds tonight in Los Angeles, mild Santa Ana winds. But this is the big one to watch right here, this storm, 986 millibar, right over Alaska. That's supposed to move down and possibly bring some rain into California by Wednesday or Thursday or Friday, somewhere in there. So we've got a couple of different chances. We have this thing right here. And also out here we have a developing gale right out here. And then we have this storm. So we'll see what happens. I kind of doubt we're going to get any rain. I'm going to stick with the no rain because of the humidity and the way they're setting up the winds. All right, let's take a look at some of these other maps. This is the sea level pressure. We've got low indicated here, and we've got high all through here. And then we have some ridges right along here. That's going to block this. All right, let's move to the 500 millibar. We've got an upper level low here. And we've got Rick down over here with some high pressure that's going to be blocking this storm for the time being. We've got these lows sitting here, and we have high pressure all through this area. All right, let's look at the 300 millibar. We've got the upper level right here, low pressure, and low out here, and this large moisture field moving in. And so that's the situation. Let's go back to the big map again. And so we do have a lot of moisture potential here, and it's being blocked. We've got chemtrails and high pressure once again. So that's pretty much the summary for today. All right, so we'll go ahead and do an update in either tonight, well, later today, or tomorrow. All right, that's it.